Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is perfect for stepping up your macro photos with your phone. So it is sent over by a company called Apexel, and it is a zoom macro lens. So this is going to be perfect for taking photos of flowers. You can get really up and get those details. Obviously, you can also photograph things like coins, jewelry. You can do bugs, insects, all that fun kind of stuff. It's going to really take your phone to the next level. And so when it comes in this little box here, once you open it up, obviously you're going to get an instruction manual. We're going to go over a lot of the features right here in the video. You are going to get a little pouch to keep everything nice and protected in, and a cleaning cloth to keep the lens free of fingerprints. And then you're going to see this is the harness itself. So it has this stretching ability. So this is going to fit pretty much most phones. You're just going to stretch it over. It has slots on the side so that way it doesn't interact with buttons or anything like this. The phone sizes that it can fit is 2.8 inches up to 3.9 inches. So like I said, that's a majority of phones. And then you're going to have this little movable dial part here. So you're going to basically position this over the lens of your camera, and then you're going to tighten it into position. So that way it is flexible, whether you have the iPhones, whether you have the Google, whether you have Samsung, you'll be able to utilize this and get it all nice in position. So once this harness is on your phone, then you're going to be able to take the lens itself. So it does have a little screw-on protective cap on the bottom side. This part you're just going to place over the lens itself in position to where it's nice and secure. And then it also has a protection on the front side. And as you can see, it is a nice big lens. This is a DSL quality lens, and it is adjustable. So you can slightly adjust it. It's basically going to allow you to do 10 times to 20 times the macro zoom ability, which is essentially allowing you to see up to 0.6 inches all the way up to 1.8 inches of the object. So you can really zoom in and get some incredible close-up photos with this lens. It just works really, really well with your cameras. Now, some of the cameras will have extra features like the auto kind of macro settings. You can turn those settings off to help get a little bit clearer pictures, but it works really, really, really well. And they also do include a little bag here of these little protection sponges if you need them, or I should say rubber pieces. It already has some on here, but you can apply them to the side of the angles if you wish. I have a case and it fits really, really perfect, so I don't really need that. You also are going to get a little kind of lens cover here as well for if you're wanting to, like a little eyepiece, if you will, get really nice and close to your subjects and whatnot. But overall, it's a really just nice little macro set. Works very, very well. Easy to use on universal, pretty much almost all phones out there. So if you're looking to step up your macro photography and get those perfect close-up shots, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.